Beautifully done. Beautifully done. And James swinging down. Right on the money there. When does he gather it? When does he take the bales off? And the significance of the option.